Oh no! Imagine end of day and you can't start your car. Oh no, I think this is a symptom. This is a symptom showing that the battery is weak already. So I might as well change the battery. Just overwork. Now it's a long day. What happens if your car battery is weak and you can't start it? Oh. Wow. My car battery died. At least this is a symptom that the battery is really weak. I've been using this battery for 1 year and 4 months. There are a few options you have. Either you change it now, or you wait for it to really dead until you cannot start your car. Then only you change. That's too late already. And if I'm now in my office, no one would have a jumper wire. You need to call a mechanic already. But luckily, there are tools in my car because I'm aware of it. I've bought a new battery and also tools required to change it not long ago. You may watch my video up here, how to change a car battery. And I'm going to show you what are things that you should do as a car driver. Look for this symbol, pull it. 2019. Today's date is September 25th of 2020. So it's almost 1 year, 4 months in service. So it's considered lucky. You should always check your car battery and know the model. This is the model of battery. DIN55R is the model of my car. Change it now like this. Now these are the two that I have. A magnetic pickup, a 10 mm wrench, and a 12 mm socket to get this work done. This battery I bought last week, September 18. This is a model, but not many people are aware of it. When your car really can't start, it's too late because you can't find a mechanic and no one has a jumper wire. You'll be stranded for hours. Remember to always remove the hose from this side, place it back here, so that the excess acid will flow out. It will not be gathered around the negative terminal. Here is a new one. Well, this is my way to keep track of my battery health. Instead of open up the car hood and look at the battery, I get sticky notes telling me when roughly I need to change my batteries. 1 year, 4 months, battery model. What is your way? How do you keep track of your battery health? This is my way, and I will know roughly when my battery would die. Preventive maintenance is the way to go. Today is my lucky day. For the sake of this video, I have actually prepared myself a new battery in my car boot. I've been carrying it for almost 1 week already. Not many people out there, like my subscriber there, that you will have a new car battery the moment your car do not start. Like what happened just now at office. The moment you came back home and the car do not start, and immediately I have a car battery. Maybe you get lucky when your colleagues will come to you and offer their jumper wire, or you have a jumper wire, maybe your colleague can help you to start your vehicle, or you have a mechanic, you have a phone number of a mechanic, you will give him a call and they will come over for rescue, but it will actually delay your time. So it's always good to have this preventive maintenance. One of it is that you can get one of this voltmeter that will tell you of the voltage from the battery, but I doubt that it's going to be accurate because I have one from Nonda and it records 14 volt when it's running. When my key is at ACC mode, the voltage reading was 12.4, 12.5, but yet when the temperature becomes so cold in the morning, my car still does not start. So I doubt that the voltmeter is going to be accurate. Not that the product is not good. This is a fast charger. I like this a lot. Maybe in the future update, probably they will give me a warning. Let me know how long already your car battery has been using. They will pop up a notification. That would be great, isn't it? Right now, I don't mind that you share me your way. How do you keep track of your car battery so that you do not end up with your car do not start when you need it, right? Leave your comment down there. I will be more than happy to hear it. And I'm sure all subscribers will get benefit from it. Oh yes, before you go, don't throw away your old battery. You can just sell your car battery to the junkyard. For my model, easily you can get 20 ringgit to 30 ringgit, the big one, 30 ringgit, sell to the junkyard for recycling purpose. save the world. Until then, see you next time. If this is the first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to my channel and appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video, and until then, see you next time. Bye. Boom.